Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
Yes.
The hair is laid.
Yes, because the hair is laid.
She ready to push it on.
I'm ready, but what's up?
I'm ready now.
I'm ready for a video. What's good? We finna go in this wing spot and get some wings. Everything coming up. When I'm ready, I'm ready. Oh, I forgot my mask. I always have to mess up my lip gloss combination. Alright, y'all, but we finna go into Pluckers and we finna try to eat the hottest wings they got. I hope I'm not talking on the speaker because I don't know if I'm holding the phone right. But we gonna see who gonna drink their drink first. So we're gonna get a couple of the hottest wings. So unfortunately we couldn't make it, or we couldn't do our challenge at Pluckers because the wait time was 2 hours and we was just entirely too hungry, and so we decided to go to Dave & Buster's, which was close to our house, play some games, eat, and have some drinks. So here we are playing games. Good, everybody. Yesterday was an epic fail. I'm gonna just say that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try something else today.
So today we over at Shake Shack.
Shake Shack.
And we about to go ahead and get some fat burgers.
I'm not even a burger person, but these burgers is really hitting. So I'm excited.
So about to it's gonna be like kind of like a more of a little mukbang situation instead of a challenge. But we will do the challenge.
Right, we're gonna still do the challenge. And we're gonna still do other challenges as well,
But yeah.
a delay. That's all it is.
So let's get off in this bed. You know what I'm saying? Love me some Shake Shack. Yeah, I got my mask on, bro. You know we stay masked up.
Let go.
Masked up.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more videos because we're gonna bring it. It's my first time getting this burger, so it's gonna taste good.
Yeah, I've never. It comes with it like a big mushroom, fried mushroom on it. And she didn't. I don't think she knew that. Because she doesn't like mushrooms. I was super surprised she even got it.
So,
She don't know.
ooh, this is a big old. I'm gonna take this off. This is a big old fried mushroom.
But now she gotta take a bite of it. She gotta take a bite of it now. Because she got it. So now I'm bite it. See what it tastes like. It's supposed to have like cheese and stuff in it. Yeah. Also something she doesn't like. It's a bunch of cheese and something in it. So she literally got something that she hates. For y'all. Is it good?
It's different.
It's something I would eat because I love mushrooms and a lot of cheese. But I don't want that.
You try it?
Let me see. This says caution, hot. Hot daddy. Kevin Hart, don't copyright it.
It's not my favorite, but it's cooked well. I will say that.
See that? I see the cheese coming out of the mushroom, yo. You see that, yo? Like it's like dripping, yo. Like that's. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's special, you see? It's decent. It's decent. It's low-key really decent, but I think it's doing like a little too much
Too much for me.
with the mushroom.
Too much mushroom for me. I didn't think the mushroom was gonna be that big.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I thought it was gonna be sauteed mushrooms. I
It
couldn't do
was
that.
good. It's really good,
Look
but
at me, I'm trying to do stuff
it's
different.
a little too big. It's a little too much for me, particularly in a burger. I like my burgers
Now I gotta take
simple
this
and
off.
plain. You know, if anything, man, I'll probably
It's
throw
too
some.
much for me.
I'll throw some bacon on this thing. But
Too much mushroom, too much cheese.
you know, no, but
I'm
we
trying to
already
be out
got.
the box.
But we already got bacon cheese fries. So we got cheese with the bacon in it. So I didn't want bacon on my burger. So
Don't want to double bacon it.
I don't really want to double bacon it. I'm really actually trying to cut back on the pork, so I didn't want to double bacon it.
I should have just told them some extra onions and called it a day.
She got a whole like cheesy mushroom just sitting on our plate. Look at this. Look at this cheesy mushroom. Look
For
at
one, it's like too hard for me. I'm sorry. I'm disappointed.
Oh, I got the cheesy
The rest of the burger is okay.
I don't know about the cheesy mushroom. Well, the rest of the burger is just a plain burger now
Yeah.
that you kind of took off the main part of it.
See, when it comes to burgers, I really don't like burgers. Let me just stay in my lane.
But she wanted a burger place today too, so once again, she doing a whole bunch of stuff that she don't do right. Should have just kept your course, man. What? No, I'm about to eat the rest of this. No, I zone out when I eat sometimes, bro. And I eat really slow.
I thought I'd eat slow.
She's saying it's like we haven't been together for 5 years, like we just met each other yesterday. Should be slow sometimes.
It's our first date.
Okay, if Shake Shack was your first date, would you want it to be like somewhere in a restaurant? You want to be bougie?
It depends. Like,
I said, I don't think. I just say like.
I don't know, these burgers is my cheat though. So it depends. It could be like, hey, I really want to take you on a date and I'm craving burgers, so you come with me here. Or it could be like, this is all I could afford. Or it could be like,
Yeah, it could be a number of reasons, but would you want to go is the question. I didn't say all the reasons he can give you for going.
look, I ain't never turned down food. I'm gonna just really say that. Those mouths don't get fed, so I'm gonna eat regardless. I need something.
She on that Players Club shit. Yeah, use what you got to get what you want.
No way or shape or form am I promoting prostitution.
I can't tell.
But I just want to point out the fact that like I'm eating and all this stuff, my lip gloss is still. I'm just saying. Just gonna point that out.
Do that, Mila.
Yeah, I'm getting full. That one bite took the wind out of me. It was so big.
She pulled off something she didn't even want.
I do want some ice cream though. Ice cream? No, we're not getting ice cream. Guess we're not getting ice cream. You know, y'all, Shake Shack is really good. The burgers, the meat is always fresh. The lemonade is fresh. The fries is good. The cheese is amazing. Only thing I don't know about is that fried mushroom. So if you're a mushroom person, maybe it's for you, but it's not for me.
Alright, y'all. That was good. We loved it. We're about to slide over to Baskin and Robbins real quick. Grab some ice cream. Follow us, man. Like, subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff. But until then, so let me go ahead and take y'all out the door, right? Don't mind the house, right? This is where we live. Nice, right? So, here's where we got our car towed at. See what I'm doing? Yeah. Tell me why there are people always parked there. No one's not ever parked.
Hey guys, sadly on this day on our YouTube channel, we stuck in the house because our car got towed on apartment complex. So that's what we doing today. So yeah, we stuck in the house. We had plans, but
That's why you can't live in an apartment.
man, we trying to get this house.
Help us boss up.
Right, like, subscribe, comment on this video. We need all the subscribers, all the followers we can get. This apartment lifestyle ain't it no more. Guys, to get out of this room, okay?
Man, y'all, we don't even have a bad apartment.
We
Like, our
don't.
apartment
It's
is
beautiful. God told, and we live here.
like, yo, I'm like, for real, I'm so frustrated. I'm about to brush my teeth again. I'm frustrated.
Man, like we had plans. Like I have orders to drop off today. Like
I got appointments.
just regular stuff to do.
We got appointments. Like, y'all don't know what we do in our regular lives, but we got real jobs and shit. Like, I'm just gonna even do that.
We have regular jobs and we can't do anything. Bae's over here really brushing his teeth again because we're so discombobulated. This really messed up our day. Like, this is unexpected. You said somebody was coming to get you, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
I had to
so
pay my brother $10 to come over here and get us because this nigga lives 40 minutes away.
so yeah, that's that. And like I said, we still gotta pay to get our own car out. So yeah, it's really, that's what today's looking like. So yeah, we're stuck in the house today. We're waiting on friends and family members to help assist us and get in our vehicle. But yeah, that's that for today. That'll probably be today's activities. So hopefully we'll have another.
We'll see y'all again.
Right.
Y'all know things got better.
We'll keep you guys updated if we get our car back today. Okay, guys, I am in the process of getting the car back. We're at the tow place right now. And I'm waiting to get the car. Thank you. Hey, come out! Get this car. I'm already mad. Okay, guys, so got the car. It was $163 to get our car.
Hey, y'all. We still ain't found it.
We found the car. We can't even move it out. Just great. That's how I'm blocked in. I'm in that Toyota Corolla. It's a white little car in front of me.
You break your back hurt?
Huh?
You break your back?
Yeah.
Get in?
Thank you. It's hot. I don't bite.
You don't bite?
Mm-mm.
You would. I cook a steak.
Ooh. How you like your steak?
Use a knife.
How you?
Get jealous.
All right, let me go. All right, thank you. Oh, we are in our car again.
Thank you, sir. I
was like, he about to take my baby. I said, she said she want to stay. She's staying in there. She must.
You know how to cook some steak? I was like, oh. I told myself, look, you know how to cook now.
I tried to.
I told her I got to cook my wife.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Well, she must want to stay. I was like, you stay, just wait. You need to get out.
Yeah, all right, y'all. We got our car back. And we back on the road.
They can keep shaping your futures together. So next time you reach for advice, go.
seatbelt. Anyway, so we on the other side of town right now. We're not even where we stay at, which is weird. Why they brought the car so far, but whatever. My best friend got me started right, getting me a full body massage for my birthday weekend. I'm so excited. I just want to say I appreciate my sis so much. Like, this is so nice, such the sweetest. I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for thinking about me. Thank you for just really give girls some love. So I'm just thankful, and I'm about to enjoy this body massage. I'm gonna get fully naked and really enjoy myself. So yes, I'm gonna get this birthday started. My birthday is Tuesday. So we're gonna celebrate all the way up until then. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more videos from me. Alright guys, I just got done with my clay mask, my sugar scrub, and my body wrap, and now I am headed to my full body massage. I just feel so relaxed already.